I'm going to be walking you through how to use Google Sheets to go from displacement up the ramp to vertical height that the cart went. And so things you'll need are the displacement up the ramp for each trial, which I've got sample data here, and then the angle of incline of your ramp, which won't have changed. You'll need to measure that, but it should be the same value from trial to trial. Now, in order to measure how high up the ramp you went, you'll need to take the displacement up the ramp and multiply by the sine of the angle you have there. So you might think that all you need to do is type in sin for sine, and then click on the angle, close your parentheses and press enter, and click and drag, and boom, you've got the sine of the angle. However, that doesn't work because Google Sheets uses its trig functions with angles in an angle measure known as radians, not degrees. And so the first thing we need to do is convert our ramp angle to radians. So it's the same thing, but measured in a different unit. You don't need to know what a radian is. You'll learn about it in a math class later more. But a radian is essentially a full circle is 2 pi radians instead of 360 degrees. But the way you'll do that is you'll click equals, you'll type in the word radians, open your parentheses, click on the 17-degree angle, and close your parentheses, and that will convert your angle from degrees to radians. You'll press enter, you'll click and drag that formula down, and now the ramp angle is in radians. And now we are ready to compute the sine of the ramp angle, which should be a unitless quantity. Sorry, that's not in parentheses, that's just the sine of, the sine of the ramp angle. Okay, maybe I'll write it this way so it's less confusing. Sine of ramp angle. Okay, and the way you'll do that now is you can type in sine after the equal sign, open your parentheses, click on the angle measured in radians, close your parentheses, press enter, and there you go. There's the sine of the ramp angle. And then your vertical height measured in meters should be your displacement up the ramp multiplied by the sine of your angle. And you press enter, autofill, there we go. And now you have your vertical height data.